Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Duolingo app on your Android device. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to download Duolingo app on your Android device, first go to Play Store and search for Duolingo in the search box. Once you find the search results for your search, you'll be able to find the app on your display. Now tap on Install to begin the downloading process. Wait until the download finishes. Soon after it does, the installation for the app will begin. Duolingo is an American language learning website and mobile app. It is also a digital language proficiency assessment exam. After the app has been downloaded, you can simply tap open and launch the app, or you'll be able to find the application on your app drawer. That is how you can easily download Duolingo application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.